Hello students, in this part we are going to learn about scattering of light and Tyndall effect with Ekta Miss. So today we are going to start with the scattering of light. You already understood the concept, but what is scattering of light? In simple terms you can understand that. Suppose when a light comes from the sun, what happens once it will find an obstacle in its path? It gets scattered. Here in the diagram you can see the light gets splitted in all direction. Okay, now along with the support of this scattering, Lord Rayleigh also has contributed. He establishes the relation that the intensity of the scattered light is varies inverse to the fourth power of the wavelength of the incident light. What does it mean? It means if the wavelength is more, then the intensity will be less. If the intensity is more, then the wavelength will be less. So less the intensity, more the wavelength. Another factor on which the scattering of light it depends. What is that? First is the scatterer. What is a scatterer now? Scatterer is defined as the object through which the light gets scattered, like atom, molecule, dust particle and water droplets. First point says if x means scatterer. If scatterer is smaller than the wavelength of the size of the light, then what happens? That the Rayleigh's scattering is valid. Means if the light get hit or obstructed by this small particles, this is valid. If the scatterer is greater, if the bigger size scatterers are in bigger size, then the scattering of light is not valid. So that's why we understand, that's why the sun appears white to us. Now I will come to this point also. Now understand the Tyndall effect. What is this Tyndall effect is? When a light passes from a true solution and from a colloidal solution. So when a light passes through true solution, we will not find any illuminated part, but once it is passes from a colloidal solution, we found an illuminated part. The same phenomena you have observed in a dark room, or in a room you have seen where the dust particles and molecules are present. When the sunlight enter to that room, you are able to see the fine light beam of the light, and that is called a golden hue in the forest. Here in this picture you can see the visible part of the light. This is because of the Tyndall effect, which is supported by the scattering of light. Thank you.